Welcome to our video comparison of the Hohem iSteady M6 kit and the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra. Today, we will delve into the features that set these two gimbals apart. The iSteady M6 kit is designed for those who need extended battery life and professional accessory support, while the V3 Ultra offers unparalleled portability and a detachable touchscreen remote for ease of use. Join us as we analyze their specifications, pros and cons, and see which gimbal truly stands out in the world of smartphone videography. Both the Hohem iSteady M6 kit and the V3 Ultra feature 3-axis stabilization, but the M6 uses the older iSteady 7.0 technology, while the V3 Ultra boasts the newer and smoother iSteady 9.0. This difference can significantly impact the quality of your footage, especially during fast movements. When it comes to battery life, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit shines with an impressive 18-hour runtime, making it ideal for long shoots. In contrast, the V3 Ultra offers 9 hours of battery life, which, while decent, may require you to carry a power bank for extended use. This makes the M6 a better choice for professionals who need reliability during long filming sessions. Portability is another critical factor. The Hohem iSteady M6 kit is bulkier and heavier, making it less convenient for casual use. On the other hand, the V3 Ultra is designed for maximum portability, folding down to a compact size that fits easily in a bag or even a pocket. This makes the V3 Ultra the go-to choice for travelers and vloggers who need to capture moments on the go. In conclusion, the choice between the Hohem iSteady M6 kit and the V3 Ultra ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize battery life and accessory support, the M6 is your best bet. However, if you value portability and innovative control features, the V3 Ultra is the clear winner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.